let's go.
All right, we are exhausted. We are back. Oh, I gotta get that lumber put away. Okay, but before we go and do anything, we need to move this thing and pull it apart and open it up and get it off the skid and move it out of the way, because right now we can only slide it in a little bit. I need to get it so I can close the door. Really excited to have this. I know not everybody thinks the world of a scissor lift or a low-rise lift or whatever the hell you want to call it, but for my application right now, for what I need, yes, I've had my own 2-poist 10,000 pound bend pack before. I know what it's like to have one of them, and it's great. However, I never got to use it because there was always a customer's vehicle on it all the time if I was working on it. But now that I have vehicles that are done, and I really don't know how many more vehicles I'll ever build again in my life. It's more of a maintaining thing and upgrading and just looking after the fleet and snow tires and oil changes and exhaust and suspension. I know they're not the best for doing transmission swaps. I will never do just a transmission swap. I learned this a long time ago. If I'm pulling the tranny out in one of these, I'm pulling the whole motor and transmission out. The time it takes to screw around with all the bolts up on top, disconnect, shake it off, it doesn't make sense when you have all this open space. It's very simple. Pop the hood off, yank everything out, pull it out, be done. And then I go around, I can clean it, gives you a chance to paint the engine bay, clean everything up, check your motor mounts, and do all that stuff. And we have all winter to do it, so there's no rush for it. If a tranny for some reason ever went out in the middle of the summer, I'm not worried about it till winter. I really not, because I have another one to drive, so I don't really care. So for what I need this for, this is going to be perfect. This is literally going to be amazing. It's going to keep me from lying on the concrete and laying down outside and doing that. So until the addition goes on the back of this thing next year or the year after, it's going to be built so I can put a full hoist in it. Then I will give this to one of my buddies or sell it or do something. But for now, for a couple years, this is going to save me a whole hell of a lot of heartache. It's going to be helpful. It's going to be handy. It's low. It's not in the way. It's movable. My buddy Tom at Automotive's got one. It's super handy when it comes in for bodywork and blocking in case I decide to get into doing something on this. Or even my minivan, I got some rust I got to touch up on it. So it's going to be helpful for that. So I'm really excited to get this thing set up. And in here, the hydraulic pump and everything is right here. I have plenty of hydraulic oil and stuff on the shelf. So I still have 32 weight and everything here for it, so we're good. And it's pre-assembled. Canadian Auto Equipment out of Milton here, and their head office in Calgary. Everything is pre-assembled for this kind of stuff. So all I have to do is unwrap this thing, get it off the skid, and put some juice to it. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're just going to get it pulled out into the floor. All right, let's talk more rock. Let's get this thing going. All right, well, that's pretty much her off the skids. Thank God, that one pallet is really good with full of hardwood. I made them give me an extra one because the crazy, like, this thing weighs a good chunk. And they put it on this, which is just not enough. So I made them get me a longer one. Like, we need to put this on something more, like, this thing weighs a lot. And sure enough, you stand in the middle of that, it just flexes. It just would have snapped on the way home. So I've got a good pallet now. It's like having that, you know, that good block kicking around in case you ever need it. So I use them in the tarp buildings to keep stuff off the ground. So that's why I'm excited. So we've got lift, everything's here, hoses, everything's already ready and connected. This is our stand. So we'll get into this one. And then these are all our feetses and our pads. We've got plenty of footsies and feetses for everything, for every application. So So this is our pump. Definitely gonna have to remember to make sure that the lowrider is in lockup to get over this thing. And I'm gonna have to be real careful on the Merc because a chunk of the exhaust, part of the exhaust hangs under the X-frame instead of going through it where the holes are. So it underslings and it'll catch. So I gotta be real careful on that. So I might actually have to put a 2x6 on either side to get up on it just to clear this for now until I fix that. There we go. This little unit. Good, this is all I need. I'm very happy with this right now. This is all I need, so I don't know how much I'm gonna get into assembling all of this right now. I do have to go here and yeah, I gotta go in about half an hour with the truck and trailer because we're going to do that thing that we talked about that we didn't talk about yet. So we're gonna go do that. And then we're gonna come back and then over the weekend we'll get this thing assembled and get it up and bleed the fluid and we'll get her mobile, but I just wanted to get it out of the boxes and make sure we're all good, make sure all the parts and pieces here, all the feetses, we say that because of the dogs. All our feet are here and our pads are here. These are really good solid rubber. We have all our fittings, all our bolts. It's our mounting bracket, so that little baby's gonna go here and just like so. Yeah, we should be good. Excited. This is awesome.
Day 2.
All right, we are off and running. We are back in the truck again. This is another day. However, I am still dressed in my dirty clothes because when I'm doing dirty things, I wear dirty clothes. This is another day and we are off to do... What are you doing?
Doing some lip chap.
Some lip chap.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging. What are you doing?
What are you doing that for?
Because I'm vlogging, because we're going to help somebody with their new project.
You gotta forewarn me of these things.
No, not at all. That's what you signed up for.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, that's 100% when you signed up for it. You look great. Don't worry about it.
That's my hair. Good thing is they can't smell.
Ow! Yeah, good thing. Yeah, thank God you put your deodorant on. They can smell you through the camera. All right, well, we're gonna go help our buddy Adam King out with his new project. He needs a hand with it right now, moving it around and shuffling. And yeah, is there a pug in here? Where is Pug?
She's right here.
Good.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby Pug. Okay, let's go. Oh. Hey, what are you doing?
Don't mind me.
Here it is. Huh.
Was this on here?
No, that's yellow.
No, I kind of like it there.
It does look badass.
It does look badass there.
Oh, it smells like barn find.
Oh, it smells.
Absolutely. I haven't smelled one of these in a long time. I kind of miss that.